Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and this is my new Christmas project. A few months ago I bought this house at a yard sale, and I promised you guys in a video that I would transform it for Christmas, and that's what I'm doing now. Every time I get a little chance, I do a little bit here and a little bit there. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this house. I got it at a yard sale, and the structure is in very good condition. It's not wobbly, it's not, it's not broken. The only thing is it has those stains, but that doesn't really matter because I'm going to fix that. And it's a little warped. The floors are warped, but it doesn't matter because I'm just going to stick miniatures in there. So they don't have to be, straight. You don't really notice it. But I am focusing on the walls and the flooring. I got these rolls from the Dollar Tree. So this red one is one of these Dollar Tree rolls. They're adhesive. And all I had to do was just measure with a ruler, the size that I needed for the floor. And I cut it out. Some of the other patterns, like that one, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. And then I have another pink one there and a blue one. Those are old rolls that I had just sitting around, so I'm going to be using them for this project. And I just love the stairs. The stairs here and the balcony. Look how pretty. All that is going to be decorated into a Christmas house. And I'll be back with the entire project, or maybe room by room. But so far, this is how it's coming along. Thanks for watching.